Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a TikTok streak pet fast. So a TikTok streak pet is actually a virtual companion that evolves the more you maintain daily streaks by sending videos or messages to friends consistently through TikTok's inbox or shot feature. In order to go this, make sure to have TikTok installed to your phone and then enable TikTok Stream. You can head over right here to your inbox and then tap a friend's chat. So if you have a friend right here that you can chat, you can head over and then chat them right there. So for example, you can chat people right here and then this will begin your streak. You can send at least one video or message every 24 hours to your streak partner like emojis and sticker and regular text. And after 3 to 5 days of continuous streaks, a streak pet egg will appear in your chat. You can tap on it to hatch your first pet and then grow and customize your pet by reaching milestones of 7, 14, 30 days and more to unlock new animations, accessory, and reactions. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you